everybody.
Good morning, folks.
Morning, everybody. So we are back again today. Today we cooking Pelau.
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 Yeah, we are making pelau.
Do you know where's Pelau?
Yeah.
Where's Pelau?
Pelau is food.
Where you think Pelau is, Zachary?
Pelau is rice, meat, and something else.
Yeah.
How mommy does do it?
Mommy does do it with the rice first.
The rice first?
I didn't see mommy with
Yeah.
the rice first.
She do the rice and the peas and the chicken.
Then the chicken. Or maybe it was the chicken, then the peas.
Well, you confusing me. I ain't never cooked Pelau before.
Wow.
Yeah, we didn't make pelau before.
We did make Pelau.
Wait,
before.
we forgot something.
What?
Dangerous things.
Dangerous things. So,
I want to talk about the
nice.
dangerous. Zach, I want to talk about the dangerous things.
alright, go.
Scissors, knives, hot water, hot stove, and oven.
An oven, alright.
Yeah.
Any other dangerous things that he happened to miss?
Maybe angry dogs.
What? Alright, so that is the process.
Yeah.
So the chicken already seasoned. So we stew this chicken and then
Do the
we get the
peas.
rice and then
The
the
peas.
peas and the vegetables.
Yeah, and
we
the veg-
season it up and
Wait,
thing, right?
Yeah. The vegetables supposed to be cooked.
Well, the vegetables will cook when you put it in the pot, so I think we should deal with the chicken first,
Talking.
and then while the chicken cooking, we'll cut up the vegetables,
Vegetable.
right?
Yeah, with a knife.
Right?
Yeah.
See?
Yes, yeah.
Check it. It's gonna be really, really loud. There's one thing. Ow! I want to see that. I want to see. Oh my god.
Put your fingers, hold it up, right, and pull it down. Right. Watch your fingers. Easy. How you do it? Press it like this, right? Press. Right.
I'm gonna press it.
You press it. Okay, folks, we finish. Taste test. You want this chicken?
That's a hot.
Where you going? Boy, come here.
I know this chicken is very hot.
So folks, that's it for today. Today we did Lau or Pelau.
Pelau.
The pot for when you're on the move. Right, so don't forget to
Subscribe.
And subscribe.
don't forget to like and subscribe and comments. Leave a comment like
Comment below.
right. Leave a comment below letting us where you think we should try.
And see you next week.
Yeah, and see you all next week. Although I think we should try this pilau again,
Yeah.
This time probably like a beef or something. You don't like pilau? You don't like pilau?
I like Pelau.
Alright. You got one who do like pilau, you got one who like pilau. So we will see what we do next week.
Bye.
Later. You don't like pilau stuff? So no.
Yeah.
I think we need to be honest about how that pilau tastes.
It tasting good.
No, it tastes good. It tastes good, boy. Boy, I tell you, if your grandmother already know how I give you that pilau, she'll be totally she grave. My word. Folks, we need some help. You understand?
Yeah.
Zachary is the only honest one who say he ain't like how the pilau tastes. Huh?
It tastes a little better.
You see? It tastes a little bitter. So, boy. So, I think.
I said it tastes a little bit.
But I don't know what you are talking about.
Well, you know exactly what you're talking about. So, yeah, we're going on there. All you need to give us some suggestions as some cooks we should follow to get some ideas of how exactly to cook. Because, boy, help. I want to poison my thread.
What?